While learning Python, 5 reasons to start programming with Python. Python is an in-demand, accessible programming language with an attractive, even growing community of users. For anyone looking to switch career in the tech world through coding, Python is a great place to start. It's relatively easy to learn and incredibly versatile, and its use in various of fields, from data science and machine learning to game development and game design. This video will review 5 top reasons used to learn Python programming, as well as the education path that you can take to gain this valuable skill set. What is Python? Python is a general purpose programming language, which means that unlike JavaScript, HTML, CSS, it can be used in applications beyond web development. Though it seems around for 30 years, it has recently become one of the most popular programming languages, and its popularity continues to grow. Number 1. Python is beginner friendly. While learning Python for starters, the language is an excellent place to begin if you are new to coding. One of the biggest hurdles for aspiring coders is the daunting task of learning a new language that looks nothing like they're using in the reading and writing. However, Python features English syntax and was designed to be concise and easy to read, all of which makes it more accessible to fast-time coder than many other languages. Python is also easy to learn because it is an interpreted programming language. This means that you can run each line of code once you have finished writing it, allowing you to immediately check it and make adjustment if needed. A big help to those who are still learning and a time saver for coder everywhere. Number 2, Python is a versatile. Python is a high versatile. You can use it for both small and complex tasks, and it is used across many different industries, from its more common application in data science and software engineering to environmental like mobile app development, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. This multi-accessed use is due to the wide range of Python libraries available, over 125,000 to be specified. Libraries are collaborate of pre-writing code in particular language that anyone can access, meaning that once you have learning the basic of Python, you would like to be able to understand and use huge amount of code developed by the other programmers. Other important aspects of Python's versatility is its ability to run with other programming language. A few common examples of Python implement with other language are Python integrated with Java and C Python integrated with C. Last, Python offer across platform functionality means that it will function properly whether you are working with Windows, Linux, or Mac. Python developer roles are in high demand. Python developer roles are in high demand as many major companies, including Dropbox, Netflix, Facebook, use it. Google has even made its own Python style guide. Python developer jobs are also comparatively lucrative according to Indeed. Python developer are on average a salary of 108,000, which makes it the 100k and 108k, which makes it the fourth most lucrative programming language behind Ruby and JavaScript. Ruby make 140k and JavaScript make 111k. Python developer also have the opportunity to earn a high salary with less expense according to the Stack Overflow. So let's check the voice quality right now.